Students, in the previous class we have already done how to prepare profit and loss appropriation account, and we will continue with that. See, this is a question. One question is given, that is question number 62. Precious, Noble and Perfect were partners in a firm with a capital of 60,000, 50,000 and 30,000 respectively, right? Here is the question. C. In this you have to prepare profit and loss appropriation account and partners capital account by two method. One is a fluctuating capital method and another is a fixed capital method. Okay, so today first of all we will do profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, just a minute, see over here. Now in profit and loss appropriation account, you know that whatever income a firm is having, that income has to be credited, and whatever expenses are there, that expenses has to be debited. Okay, so your heading will be, you know, the heading will be in the books of Precious, Noble and Perfect. Okay, and profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st December 16, debit side and the credit side. Okay, first of all what we have to do, we have to take net profit. Okay, now pay attention again over here. Net profit, this net profit has been transferred from profit and loss account. Okay, and how much profit was there? See, it was 1,10,000, 1,11,000, I'm sorry, 1,11,000, right? Now from here we have deducted interest on loan. We have deducted interest on loan. Why? Because interest on loan is not an item of appropriation. Okay, so that is why we are deducting it from here. We can do it by two way. Either we can deduct it from net profit, or we can take this net interest on loan on the debit side, on this side, to interest on loan. So I have deducted this from the profit since it is not an item of appropriation. Okay, so after deducting we are getting 1,10,700. This is our net profit. Okay, but how this 300 has arrived? For this there is a calculation that I will show you, but just wait for that. Okay, here next we are coming to by interest on drawings. Now when you will go to the question, you will see that Precious, Noble and Perfect, three of them, they are withdrawing rupees 4,000 on 1st July. Now from 1st July till 31st December, how many months are there? There are 6 months. Okay, see, P is for Precious, N is for Noble and again P is for Perfect. Now since 4,000 has been withdrawn, you have to charge 6% because it is given in the question that interest on drawing should be 6% and 6 by 12. So each partner is withdrawing the same amount, so you will get 120, 120, 120. Okay, this will be your interest on drawings, and interest on drawings is always what? Income for the firm. And since it is the income for the firm, here it will appear on which side? On the credit side. See, we have done the total and written on the credit side over here. Total of 120, 120, 120 becomes here 360. Clear? Now see, in the same manner we will do the calculation of interest on capital, right? Now capital means Precious, Noble and Perfect. They are getting interest on capital 3,600, 3,000 and 1,800. The total of all three will be 8,400. Am I clear? And how working has been done? Look over here. See, Precious is having a capital of 60,000, Noble 50,000 and Perfect is having 30,000 capital, right? And what is the rate of interest given? Rate of interest is given in the question 6%. So you will find out the 6% of all their capitals individually. 60,000 into 6 by 100, 3,600, 3,000 and 1,800. Okay. Now see, in the same manner, salary is also given. Precious is getting a salary of how much? 200 per month. Per month means multiplied by 12, that is 2400. In the same manner, Noble is getting a salary of 300 per month, means 300 multiplied by 12, that is 3600. You will do the total of these two and you will write it in the outer column and you will get 6000. Am I clear? Now see, here you can see interest on loan. As I told you, I will show you the working. See, Perfect, he has advanced loan of 10,000 on 1st July 16. And in the question also, the rate is given at the rate of 6%. But if in the question rate is not mentioned, then in the absence of that also, you will charge at the rate of 6% only. Am I clear? The rate will be same, 6%, if it is not mentioned in the question. But here in the question, it is mentioned. So here 10,000 at the rate of 6%, and since the loan has been taken on 1st July, means from July till December, how many months are there? 6 months are there. So into 6 by 12. So you will get how much? You will get this 300. Am I clear? Now all the adjustments has been over. Now what you will do? You will do the total of this credit side. That total you will get how much? 1,11,060. Okay, this total you will write it on both the side, debit side as well as credit side. Now from that total you will deduct these two totals, that is 6,000 and 8,400. After deducting you will get this amount, that is 96,660. Now this is the divisible profit which has to be distributed amongst Precious, Noble and Perfect. Now question comes that how much they are getting this much of profit, share of profit, how this has been arrived. Okay, for this again you have to understand the calculation. Now see, in the question it has been said that up to 70,000 partners will share in the ratio of 4:2:1. That is 4 plus 2 plus 1. That is 7. Okay, this is the 7. So Precious share will be 4 by 7. Noble's share will be 2 by 7. And Perfect will share 1 by 7. Okay, and what is the total profit? You can see total profit is given 96,660. Now from this 96,660, first of all, up to 70,000, we will find out the share of individual partners. Look over here, by 4 by 7, 2 by 7 and 1 by 7. We are getting 40,000 here, 20,000 and 10,000. Okay. Now, in the question again it has been said up to 70,000, profit sharing will be in this ratio. But after that, partners will share the profit equally. So our total profit was 96,660. From there, we will deduct this 70,000. After deducting, we will get 26,660. Right? Now this 26,660, this will be divided into 3 partners equally. So we will divide it by 3. After dividing by 3, we will get 8,886.6. Okay, so this amount we will add it in all the 3 partner. Okay, so here 40,000 plus 8,886 and again 20,000 plus 8,887, we have rounded up, that is important, and then 10,000 plus 8,887. See, we are getting, Precious is getting 48,886, Noble 28,887 and Perfect 18,887. When you will add these 3, you will get 96,660, which is our divisible profit, which will be distributed to partners' capital account. Am I clear? Students, I hope I made you clear all your doubts, whatever doubts were there. See, in this manner you will do the calculation of profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, and you can go through the working also. See, the working is also given over here, so pay attention and jot it down. Okay, thank you class.